Good morning, guys. So, finally, part 3. Now it's time to put the car into the garage. I have to put it in neutral. To do so, either I have to start the car or I can put the transmission in neutral, but I have to go under the car and I don't want to go there. Also, if you take a closer look, I have set some wheel dollies in the car, in the front axle, left and right. So what I decided to do is to start the car and leave it in neutral. But I have a coolant leak, so I made sure that the car was full of coolant before starting it, and I also started to push it manually with my son. But with the snow and the little wheels on the dolly was hard. So what I tried to do was to, I have to call on the big boy, the X3, and I just wanted to start pushing it and see if the car will be moving. I took my time and I went gentle with it, and it worked. So I just moved a couple of feet, a couple of meters, and then I tried again to push it manually, but the snow didn't help. So and also we're pushing uphill. So I was lucky because some people came and they give us a hand. So at the end of the day, I was able to do it, and the car wasn't in the garage. So I will see you in a couple of seconds. Minutes. Yeah, this video is long too. I don't know. I will try to make shorter ones in the future. Good morning, guys. Good Sunday morning, winter Sunday morning. It's minus 5 degrees, a little bit of cold, but luckily I was able to put the car into the garage. So today I'm gonna dismantle as much as I can and having a better asset to see what's wrong. The only thing is that I don't have much light inside the garage, so we're gonna do whatever we can. And I was supposed to buy a new light, but Christmas is in 2 days. I wanted to buy it today, and my wife told me, "Why do you don't wait till Christmas? Maybe you're gonna receive something." Okay, so I have to wait for some light, but again, I'm free today, so I cannot wait for that. I'm gonna work today. see, here we can see where the knuckle just split. I mean, not the knuckle, but I think that's called the carrier, and this is where the steering knuckle goes in. So it completely broke off. You can see it. Yep. So, quick update. I'm very happy with the result. So, let's begin. First, this is completely scrapped. This is the left fender protector. The fender. This is the radiator, auxiliary radiator, scrap too, you can see it. This is coming from the spindle, the main spindle, and this is the wheel. So I'm taking the spindle out. I haven't finished, but just to give you an idea, this comes here like this, I think so, yeah, like this. So it broke out here. Now you can see I took out the fender, the structure. I'm very lucky. Nothing. You can see it. See it. Very straight. Nothing here. The door, of course, that will be changed. So I let you guys see it by yourself. I was lucky. So yeah, I'm pretty lucky. You can see it here. I'm gonna take some measurements before I advance further. I will change the spindle tomorrow. The radiator went here, bumper. And that's it. Some brackets. Yeah, here you see it. This two little brackets. I'm gonna buy new ones. Here. This is all little stuff. Yeah, here. I may change this one because it's bent just a little bit here. And this foam right here. But this is only bolt on, so that's pretty easy to change. And I need a radiator kind of protector. I think the radiator goes into there. Yeah, it clips there. And so basically I have to do the suspension, the radiator. I'm making mechanically wise, we're okay. The only one that I'm not sure is this one, the steering spindle. It looks straight, but I'm not sure. I think it's bent here. So maybe you guys, what do you think? Is this bent or not? I'm not sure. Not all. What else? What's this thing? I don't know what this is for. Whatever. So yeah, and here, well, here we don't have anything. I only took it out to compare both sides. Oh, that's another one. That's a little bit. This car has a solid cooling system. You can see it there. That's that other radiator. BMW. So BMW is selling those for $200. It cost about $40 to make. So maybe I can grab one used, or I mean, I'm not in a rush, so I'm gonna wait for it. So that's the front part. Tomorrow or maybe in 2 days I'm gonna go and see inside. I'm gonna go, so yeah, I'm gonna secure everything. We have to I don't know how we say it, jack stands, and I'm gonna put the jack in the center, only to be extra cautious. And that will be it for today. So I'm very happy with the purchase. Very happy. And the last rebuild that I did was a 2018 Chevrolet Volt, and this is far from it. This is not the same at all. We can see the construction is different. I will not say, yeah, we see there's more engineering into it. That's obvious. So see you soon, guys. Thanks, and please subscribe. We're gonna have more videos coming for the car and other subjects, so keep up. Thanks. Yeah, before I go, what I really need, it's another 719M style 18-inch black. I need another one. The other one is busted. I have a hard time finding one. If I'm unable to find one, I will go and buy a replica. The tires are good, so I'm not buying new. I mean, yeah, I need a new one, but I have to. If you have one Michelin, I'm gonna buy it new. Yeah, because they are almost new. They have about 10,000 miles, 15,000 kilometers. But if you guys have, no, I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, that will be easier. So I think that will be it for today. So the next one.